Tomorrow is November 10th, and it is the second Tuesday of the month. You know what that means? Oh yes, the loudly Patch Tuesday. Every Windows 10 user is always waiting for. And I don't know, but something tells me that it's going to be an important one with lots of security patches, maybe even zero-day exploits. So please be sure to go to settings, update on security, and check for updates. And it should start downloading a cumulative update or two. I know it was a very short video, but I just wanted to remind you guys because I think it's going to be a very important one. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time, if you like our videos, please subscribe. Have a nice day.